Hello, and today at Model Corner we will be looking at the PPC Plastic Plane Company Thai Airways Boeing 777-300ER in 1/200 scale. As you can see, this is another snap fit kit that you can put together easily that doesn't require any glue, and I'm just showing you the body right now. So first step is when you want to take your body or fuselage and place the wings onto it, which you would take these two, as you can see. And they should just push onto the body like so. Wing 1, and onto the other side, wing 2. Very nice. As you can see, wings very nicely on. We're going to move on to constructing the tail now, which is made up of these 3 parts. We have 2 horizontal stabilizers and 1 vertical stabilizer. So we take the horizontal stabilizers and they just push in as well. Make sure it's lined up and it should go in nicely. And the same for the vertical. Push it in. And there you have it, the Thai Airways Boeing 777. This is our first time looking at a Thai plane, and looking at it now, it's very nice. You can see the Thai Airways logo and the livery, you can see. It's a very nice purple and gold. If you look close, I don't know if we can see it, it's a very nice purple on this plane. It's very nice. We can see the registration of HSTKZ underneath, we're saying Boeing 777, so you know what plane it is. And just so you know, it's definitely Thai. You've got Thai here, a little Thai flag at the top of the vertical stabilizer. Now, if we look at some of the details, you can see on the wings, you've got like the flaps, ailerons. And as this is a Boeing 777-300ER, which the ER does stand for extended range, if you didn't know, you can see the raked wing tips at the end of the wings, you know, just to make sure it's super accurate. Now, again, this is a Boeing 777, and the Boeing 777 line of jets are the largest twin jets in the world. So, there you go. This was at one point the largest twin jet in the world. Again, look at it. Now, as you can see, this model does not come with landing gear. However, what it does come with is a display stand, which is right here. You can see it says Thai with the Thai Airways symbol, Boeing 777-300ER, the name of the plane and the airline running it. Stand just fits together like so. Push it in, and as you can see on the bottom, just a little gap for where this clips on, like so. And there you have it, and this can fit wherever you want it. Now, it's a model, this is a 1/200 scale plane, but it's still a very nice size, quite big, with a wingspan of about 32.4 centimeters, and it's about 36.95 centimeters long. So it's a large plane. And like I said, the 777 family of Boeings are the largest twin jets. Now, this plane comes packaged in this box here. As you can see, it's got a picture of an actual Boeing 777-300ER. Now, this is the exact same plane you see in the model, down to the registration of them both being HSTKZ. Again, turn the box over. We have Thai, the logo, Boeing 777-300ER, and the dimensions of a real Boeing 777-300ER. And of course, as it is a Boeing plane, as all the Boeing ones have, they have the little stamp that says Boeing officially licensed product. So you know that this should be as accurate to the actual Boeing as possible. And this plane is available now from modelcorner.co.uk.